Hey folks, Mark here. Most of you know me from my YouTube channel, the Lighthouse Law Club, possibly National Action Task Force or similar venues. And I know right now there's a lot of people that are not in the best shape financially. That's a serious problem with all that's going on in the economy. And quite frankly, the system has us programmed to be poor. All right. I think most of us understand that. Um, that's going to change today. All right. I'm going to give you the opportunity to change that scenario. Whatever your financial condition is, I'm going to show you a way to accelerate the achievement of your financial goals and dreams. All right. And condense that into a much shorter time frame. And perhaps for some people, even to give a ray of hope when there might not be any otherwise. Okay. So let's get into it. A little bit on my background. I've been involved in international business and finance since the late 70s, my entire career. That's a long time. I became the most prolific and active, successful trader for an international financial group called Kerford Investments International. When I was living in Costa Rica, I ended up running one of their trading offices and training many of their traders. And so I go back quite a ways on trading. And despite all that time, I mean, we're talking 25 years of trading experience. Despite all that, and I've had my good runs, but despite all that, the market can still kick my ass. Okay. I mean, that's the bottom line. Trading is not easy. Don't enter into it thinking that that's something that, anybody can do. The only way you're going to learn basically is to lose a lot of money. All right. Under normal circumstances. Today, that's going to change. I'm going to show you how that's going to change for you today. Okay, so I've got quite a background in not only business finance, but specifically trading. I know the trading business. All right. My goals in my business has always been to help people become financially free. All right, to break free from the matrix, to come out of Babylon. And to do that, you need to have multiple streams of cash flow. As you know, if you've been following me, I've been harping on that for years. That's always been a part of the training that we do in the community support network, in everything we do virtually. Okay, so I've tried to help people break that yoke of bondage, and I've finally found the way. All right, and that's what I'm going to show you, or at least introduce you to today. Okay, I found a team and a system that is doing some fantastic things. I mean, they're achieving any trader's dream in terms of developing a system that anybody can follow. Many people have no experience in trading. You don't need any experience because they do all of the technical analysis, they do all of the setups, and all you have to do is follow the coach's trades in real time. What they'll do is they'll set you up with your own account where you control your own funds. You can do your own trading, stop, start, withdraw funds anytime you like, in full control. And in about anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes on a live call every morning when the market opens in the US, you can simply join in that live call and follow the coach's live trading. All right. The coach is going to do trades live on the call. You follow them and you make your own decisions. Make your own decisions on lot size, how aggressive or conservative you want to be, how soon you want to get out of a trade or let it ride. These are decisions that you can make, but all you have to do is follow the coach live in real time on your own trading account, and the averages that people are generating in terms of profits and cash flow on a daily basis range anywhere from 1% gain on account, gain on equity in the account, to up to 40% on a daily basis. Okay, that's a range. There's no promises, there's no guarantees. Everything depends on you and what you do and following the coach's guidelines. But they do lose trades. They do have losing trades. There are losing days. All right, but they are far fewer than the winning days. And again, the average, let's just say it's the range has been from 1% to 40% daily. Now, put that into your futures value calculator and see what that means, okay? But the bottom line is you can do this in a live call in 15 minutes a day. Make your profit in 15 minutes, early morning, market open, New York time. Bank your profits and go on about your business. You don't need to be stuck to the computer or watching charts, reading the charts, like a lot of traders do all day long. They get cross-eyed, reading charts all day, watching the markets, looking for opportunities, getting into a bad position, trying to get out. This is in and out, and you're done. Go on about your business after the 15 minutes. Now, let's just look at a couple of examples of compounding. And if we apply the numbers that we're talking about, let's just see how that might compound. Now, this is simply a hypothetical futures value calculation of the effects of compounding. This is simply a look at a mathematical exercise, okay? This is not a promise, expectation, or guarantee of any profits, but simply looking at compounding. Let's first look at starting with a capital account of $2,500, for example. And if you only traded 4 days a week, that's 16 trading days in 4 weeks. And then for the odd day of the month, every once in a while, just add one more day. All right. So let's say there's 17 trading days per month. In 12 months, that would be 204 trading days. If we looked at 2 years, that would be 408 trading days. Okay. So $2,500, one time only deposit, averaging only 2% gain per day, which is very conservative compared to what people have actually been achieving. You'll see in that 2-year time frame, you've accumulated over $8 million. That's the power of compounding. Now, what if you could do only a fraction of that? All right, so there you go. You've got your 2-year retirement plan right there in front of you. Retire in 2 years or less. That's how to do it. Achieve those numbers and you're there. Could you live off of $8 million in a couple of years? So no matter what your age is, you've got a retirement plan in 2 years or less. All right, now let's look at another example. Let's say you've got an IRA account, okay, a retirement account. We can show you how to convert that into a self-directed IRA, and you could actually start trading on that capital. So let's say you've got $25,000 in your IRA, and you want to put that to work in a self-directed IRA. Simply do the conversion, and let's see what we can do in 1 year's time, in 204 trading days, averaging only 2% per day. All right, here we see the figures. In a year's time, you'd have 1.4 million. Again, now you've got a retirement plan in 12 months or less. Okay. Now, with these kinds of figures, it doesn't take a whole lot of capital to start with to generate enough daily profits that you could live off of that starting with day one. All right. Now, let's say you've really been beat up financially, and I know a lot of people have, ex-spouses, ex-IRS agents, ex-lawsuits, you name it. A lot of folks have been beaten up. A lot of folks are living out of their cars. And I've known a few over the last few years. Doesn't matter. We can show you how to start doing this. There's multiple ways of doing this to generate some capital if you're starting with zero. Ask us how to start generating capital. You could actually become an affiliate of this program without being an investor. Okay, so that leads me to talk a little bit about the multiple ways that you can make money with this program. Okay, first of all, an obvious, trading. That's all you want to do. Follow the coach 15 minutes a day, make your percentages, and go about your business. Done. You're a trader, you're making money, you're happy. That's all you need to do. All right, then another way to generate cash flow is there is an affiliate program. And in that affiliate program, you're able to build a network, build a team, and generate overrides on what that team is doing. Okay, so that's another source of passive income that doesn't even require your 15 minutes a day. Okay, but another way is to become an affiliate for the broker that you use. A lot of brokers where you'll actually have your account set up have an affiliate or a referral program, and they'll share part of the spread that they make on the bid and the offer price spread. Okay, whenever someone's making a trade, you're making a little piece of that. So that's another way to generate cash flow. All right, and then we have third-party wealth management services, not at all related to this company, more related to what I do. And many of you are familiar with that. Trust services, international financial arrangements that can be quite interesting. So there's another way to generate cash flow. So this is really quite an opportunity. Multiple ways of generating passive cash flow, which is the key to financial solvency, financial freedom. Okay? So again, you're in control. You can pull your funds anytime you like. Do your own trading. You're in and out early in the morning, generating substantial returns, compounding. So to find out more, to learn more about this, check out the resources on this page or in the description box below or in the email that you're getting with this, depending on how you see this video. And follow the breadcrumbs. You'll be amazed, I think, at what you find. And right now, at this point in time, on the 17th of July, we have an opportunity. You can actually join for free and participate in these calls for free until they do a launch. We're in pre-launch right now on this system. It's been proven over the last couple of years. It's in pre-launch. Everything's put together to launch this into the marketplace, and you are in the right place at the right time. Speaking of that, being in pre-launch phase. So invest in yourself, find true financial and time freedom like you've never had before. This is an opportunity that you have. I hope you can make the best of it. That's all for now. Take care. God bless. We'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.